Hello and welcome to the KitPlus news supported by Media Proxy. Now we'll start this week with two quite date-sensitive items of news happening this week. Firstly is the Arena TV auction with over 3,000 items on offer and bids closing on 22nd, 23rd and 24th of February. Now we've done a few interviews with those involved as well as a site visit last week to see how the auction was progressing. So if you're interested in finding out more, then there is a link in the description below.
Also this week on Thursday, 24th of February, Cherry Duck Studios are opening their virtual door for a tour of the facilities, giving an insight into its workflow as well as showing exclusive content from recent clients. The webinar is hosted by Duncan Beattie from GB Labs with Tom Smith, Head of Post-Production at The Nest Post, and James Vellacott, Cherry Duck Group founder, taking us behind the scenes. Let's have a look at a short promo trailer.
Having GB Labs as a support has been fantastic. Everyone hates when they lose storage or the worry of losing storage, especially on these projects. You don't want to have to reshoot anything. So knowing we've got contingencies and backup solutions in place, it allows us to focus on what we do best, which is creating exciting content for our clients.
Absolutely, leaving them to do what's best is what it's all about, and you can find a link to the webinar in the description below this video. Definitely worth a look, and no doubt you'll find it on catch up if you missed the live session. Now, Maxon, developer of professional 3D software solutions, has announced the immediate availability of Universe 5.1. It's a new update to its studio video transition and effects plugins. The new version of Universe adds support for M1 powered Macs. Additionally, by replacing JavaScript with C++, Universe was completely rebuilt to provide a more future-proof and flexible foundation, paving the way for more powerful tools, creative options, and improved performance.
Brainstorm has released Brainstorm Suite 5, a major upgrade to its flagship products Infinity Set, Aston and eStudio. That includes a new, unique and enhanced features designed to improve XR content creation and workflows. While adding an even tighter integration with Unreal Engine, these enhancements will streamline the ability for clients to improve their virtual content creation regardless of if they're using LED walls or chroma sets to produce their virtual content. Now, next, Mr MXF has covered 5G in the past, but this week it looks at synchronisation.
NetInsight delivers JPEG XS. Read the headline. But as I did some research on their website, I stumbled across this small nugget of gold concerning 5G synchronization. Now, you may remember my April 21 episode where I explained 5G. Well, one of the core 5G infrastructure requirements is time and frequency synchronization. A rogue 5G base station with poor sync can result in a network full of interference instead of network enhancement. And about 3 to 5% of the cost of rollout, that's about $2 billion globally, is related directly to synchronization, according to a Chyron report in April 2020. So this is a big technical and commercial issue. Many of the new 5G features like license-assisted access and massive MIMO, well, that's multiple input, multiple output, using many antennas to essentially give each individual a virtual directional antenna, that stuff that requires very precise synchronization. Now, synchronizing using GPS can be expensive, and if you've seen the James Bond film Tomorrow Never Dies, then you'll know that GPS signals can be subject to jamming and spoofing by malicious actors. Well, okay, that was fiction back in 1997, but a decade later, it was demonstrated by Cornell University. You can use PTP, Precision Time Protocol. It's superb, but comes with network infrastructure requirements, which are not yet pervasive. Now, NetInsight have created and deployed a thing called PTM, or Precision Time Net, that delivers the benefits of PTP on standard networks that don't need a PTP upgrade. This technology sounds very promising, and hopefully NetInsight will let me do a deeper dive into how it works later in this year. Nice job, NetInsight.
Thanks to KitPlus's very own 007 there, Mr MXF. Now, more from him next week, and hopefully a deeper look into the NetInsight technology as well. Now, as we hinted last week, the NAB news is starting to flow through, and at the show in April, Chyron will feature the Prime Live platform, which now also supports Prime Edge for creating graphics with Prime and enabling them for viewer control. It's perfect for sports, elections, lifestyle programming, or any other data-rich entertainment show or news. It allows viewers to surf for the information they want to see without ever having to leave the broadcaster's channel.
Also, NAB in Las Vegas Digital Nirvana will demonstrate solutions that bring artificial intelligence and machine learning to post-production and compliance workflows, including Metadata IQ, a SaaS-based offering that automates the generation of speech-to-text and video intelligence metadata. And then there's Trance, a SaaS-based application that leverages your personnel and workflow to produce the same high-quality transcripts, captions, and translations.
And in the new West Hall at the show, Dejero will be showcasing its new EnGo 265 mobile transmitter with built-in gateway mode, as well as integrations with Grabyo and Dazzl cloud video platforms. Enhancing productivity and simplifying cloud-based workflows of remote news teams, live events broadcasters and media production crews will be the theme of the show.
Plenty more from NAB to come, I'm sure, in the coming weeks, but this week is the HPA Tech Retreat, where Envoi and Veset announced a partnership to enable customers to launch linear channels for OTT distribution, and the joint solution is being showcased at the event happening right now. Envoi is a cloud broadcast and live streaming solution for content creators looking to manage streaming TV platforms. Integration with Veset's cloud-based playout platforms makes it simple for Envoi's customers to create and manage professional linear channels and distribute them to multiple platforms.
24i, the video streaming experts, have announced its streaming platform is now being used by Danish fibre broadband provider Waoo to bring its pay TV service to a new generation of Android TV set-top boxes, adding third-party aggregated content and enhanced search functionality. Waoo has used the 24i streaming platform since 2010 to bring its pay TV service to life on managed set-top boxes and unmanaged devices, including iOS and Android mobile phones and tablets, web browsers and Apple TV boxes.
Sometimes less is more. The new high-end extender product series Vision XS from Gunter & Drunk comes with a small housing and big performance. Following the motto smaller, more compact, more powerful, G&D developed a new compact multi-purpose KVM tool. It's available now and, as you would expect, offers high-performance video transmission for resolutions of up to 4K 60. And the Vision XS uses standard networks at up to 10 gigabits per second, opening up a new dimension of possibilities. Especially fast videos and frequently changing image content now requires significantly less compression, thus improving the user experience.
The cloud-native editing tool from CodeMill, accurate.video.edit, now integrates with the SDVI Rally media supply chain management platform. Accurate.video.edit is a professional video editor designed to enable users to perform essential edits effectively in the browser. Its integration with SDVI Rally simplifies metadata-assisted content, QC and compliance tasks for media organizations.
ATEM will be attending Mobile World Congress, or MWC22, in Barcelona, where it will showcase optimized and sustainable 5G media delivery solutions to support telecom operators in their quest to harness this exciting new technology. As the leader in 5G media delivery, offering a high quality of experience to viewers, ATEM will demo real use cases in streaming over 5G, showcasing the latest from the Nested 5G project.
Custom Media Solutions, a live event video production company based in Alpharetta, has anchored its new 40-foot broadcast production truck with a 4A HVS 2000 video switcher. The truck has been in use since mid-January. Originally, it was designed to use CRT monitors, so CMS modernized the interior with an eye on flexibility. The infrastructure was designed to support 12G with all I/O via fiber, so the truck can be upgraded by swapping only a few components. Plus, the audio is handled through Dante Digital Audio Networking.
Black Box has introduced its KVXHP series quad monitor KVM extenders, which leverage DisplayPort 1.2 multi-stream transport technology over Cat5 or Cat6 or fiber to support up to 4 external displays with minimal cabling at the user's desktop. Offering true plug-and-play point-to-point KVM extension, the KVXHP series gives user high-performance access to a remote computer with a single cable feeding all monitors.
NDI, part of the VisRT group, has announced an all-new version of NDI called NDI HX3. It's now available to anybody using an enabled device, and users can select NDI HX3 as an option for better video with reduced latency using a fraction of the bandwidth as well. HX3 is an option for manufacturers and developers to magnify flexibility without the need to change or upgrade hardware. Now, Mr MXF has a deeper look into NDI HX3 next week, so don't miss that one.
Dreamchip has released its new Atom 1 mini zoom camera, a groundbreaking miniature camera that now introduces zoom functionality to an already impressive set of visual specifications. With dimensions of just 60 by 80 millimeters and a weight of only 267 grams, the camera delivers crystal clear images, as you'd expect, working on a rolling shutter basis with a 1¼ inch sensor, allowing for a resolution of up to 1080p 60. With an in-depth chat with Dreamchip coming up, so subscribe to the channel. Make sure you don't miss that one. Absolutely.
Now, Atomos have announced that the Ninja 5 and Ninja 5 Plus will support recording of Apple ProRes RAW over HDMI for the new OM1 Micro Four Thirds camera from OM System. The Ninja 5 and 5 Plus will record 12-bit ProRes RAW video at the DCI 4K standard up to 60 frames per second.
That's it for the news this week. Make sure you check out the links in the description below. Thanks to Media Proxy, of course, for their continued support of KitPlus TV. And look out for the KitPlus interviews coming this week. Of course, our podcast, which you can find by searching KitPlus on your podcast directory or kitplus.com/podcast. So have a look out for them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.